So all the charts are going to be pretty similar. We're looking for the union of K and J, and we're going to be given different things. So remember, the union, you're going to do probability of J is probability of K minus the intersection. So if they're independent from each other, you can find their intersection by taking their probabilities and multiplying them together. So if I do 0.25 times 0.18, I get the intersection to be 0.045. 0.045. I can do better than that. I'm better than that. Then if I want to find the union, I'm going to do 0.18 plus 0.25 minus the intersection, 0.045. 0.18 plus 0.25 minus 0.045. 0.385. Boom. Mutually exclusive, they can't happen at the same time. That's the definition of mutually exclusive. So remember, independent, they don't affect each other. We can take their probabilities and multiply them together. Mutually exclusive, they cannot happen at the same time. So we're going to do the same thing, 0.25 plus 0.18 minus the intersection of 0, which is going to give me 0.43. And then finally in C, they give you the intersection to be 0.06. So if I want to find the union, that's going to be equal to 0.25 plus 0.18 minus the intersection, 0.06. 0.25 plus 0.18 minus 0.06, 0.37. Boom.